Are you searching for the best garden kneeler and seat? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best garden kneeler and seat in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, VEVOR Garden Kneeler and Seat. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Samger Folding Garden Kneeler and Seat. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Garden Kneeler Thicken Seat. Versatile design. The stable knee and garden bench is an ideal helper not only for garden work in a kneeling position. Simply by turning it over, the knee bench turns into a bench and serves you, e.g. when repairing your bike, as a comfortable seat. Thanks to the stable workmanship, this garden helper is stable and can be loaded up to 150 kilograms. Comfortable EVA mat. Whether you use it as a knee or a garden bench, the comfortable upholstery will serve you well. Even after a long kneel, you can do your gardening undisturbed, and the comfortable bench is always ready for a short break. With tool bag made of Oxford fabric, the robust knee bench is equipped with a practical tool bag, in which garden tools and other work utensils find their place and are therefore always within easy reach. Easy to fold. For easy storage and easy transportation, the knee and garden bench can be easily folded up so that it can be easily transported and stored in the garage, garden shed, or cellar to save space.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. New portable garden kneeler with handles. Foldable garden mattress and seat, pad with small cloth bag, garden folding, stool, folding belt, tool bag, garden bench, widening and comfortable mattress. This garden mattress is upgraded and the mattress is widened to fit more people and make you feel more comfortable for a longer time. 2 large tool bags. Don't worry too much about tools when gardening. This garden stool is equipped with 2 large tool bags. Multifunctional gardening tools. When unfolding this garden knee seat, you can lie on a soft mat, keep your knees away from the ground and reduce pain, or simply flip it over to use it as a very comfortable chair. Sturdy and lightweight. The entire structure is made of sturdy steel, durable enough and large capacity. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take it with you. The perfect gift. This beautiful garden knee will be the perfect gardening gift for men and ladies gardeners. Number 5. Portable garden kneeler tool bag. Garden tool. You can keep your gardening tool in order and easy to carry. Tool storage bag. It is used to store and store garden tools of various sizes, including seeds, fertilizers, gloves, etc. Appropriate capacity. There are multiple pockets to designate items. Portable. This bag takes up very little space and can be hung on a trolley. Abrasion resistant fabric, made of 600D Oxford cloth to ensure durability and long life. Material, 600D Oxford cloth. Weight, about 170 g. Packaging, PP bag package.